Well, now at 5, an Ohio grand jury will not file charges against the Cleveland Metropolitan Housing Authority police officer who shot and killed 19-year-old Arthur Keith. Keith died in the King Kennedy neighborhood last November. January Keaton joins us live now with the latest details out today. Hi, January.
Hi there, Sarah. Yeah, the shooting happened almost 8 months ago, but the emotion was raw as if it happened just yesterday here. The family of Keith gathered today in protest outside of the Cleveland Metropolitan Housing Authority police station, outraged, to say the least, that the officer who shot and killed him will not face charges. Now, CMHA police say 19-year-old Arthur Keith pointed a gun at them when they shot him back in November in the King Kennedy area. But the autopsy showed Keith was shot from behind while the bullet exited his chest. Today, Attorney General Dave Yost announced that the grand jury returned what's called a no bill in the case. And that means no officers will be indicted in the shooting because they didn't find probable cause to believe that a crime was committed. The Keith family is outraged, as I mentioned. They said they were promised a thorough investigation, but that's not what they got.
Witnesses that were eyewitnesses, literally there on the scene within 20 feet of the incident, and those witnesses were not interviewed.
The investigation, as I stated, included reviewing 911 calls, reviewing dispatch calls, radio runs, looking at where the car that Mr. Keith was in, the origin of that, the origin of the handgun that Mr. Keith possessed, and interviewing witnesses.
Now, one of those witnesses attended today's protests that the family said didn't get interviewed. He says he did see Officer James Griffiths shoot Keith as Keith was running away, and he confirms he was not contacted by police. Yost said in a press conference today that the no bill doesn't diminish the gravity of Keith's death. Now, CMHA released a statement today saying they will release any video that they are in possession in. They just haven't given a time yet. Meantime, the Keith family attorney said their next step is to call on the Department of Justice to do a civil rights investigation on CMHA police. Sarah?
January Keaton for us. Thanks so much.